Purchasing a property as a family, ironically, it's usually the smallest members of your house that pose the biggest questions, like will there be enough locally to keep them busy? What on earth will you do together as a family over the weekend? And of course, will the local schools be well equipped enough to give them the education that you want them to have so they can shape the future that you know they can have? Well, putting a tick in all of those boxes are just a handful of reasons why this historic market town has been increasingly popular with families looking for that forever move for many years. But it's fair to say that the trappings of these cobbled streets expand much further than just highly regarded private and public schools. In fact, there's something here for the entire household, from cool, modern, contemporary bars through to charming, quaint, historic pubs, to amazing restaurants and tantalising takeaways, through to a supermarket that has been famed for stocking the very best produce from across Lancashire and the nearby county of Cumbria. And what's just walking distance down the road from all of these things, I hear you ask? Well, come with me and we'll find out. It's the home that we're here to see on today's feature, of course, and if you're excited by the prime Poulton-Le-Fylde location that this home offers, you're going to be super excited by what's inside. Breck House is a 5-bedroom, contemporary, detached home. It's been renovated to an unbelievable standard whilst maintaining a lot of the character, the history and the quirks that you'd hope to find in a property of such an age. I can't wait to show you this one. The concept of old meeting new is something that I alluded to outside, and as soon as we step indoors to Breck House, we see that quite literally coming to life, and that's nothing but testimony to the vision and the attention to detail that the existing homeowners have taken when it came to refurbishing this property. Everywhere we look, we see the story of Breck House quite literally hidden in plain sight. For example, we've got these gorgeous feature windows which make quite the focal point both internally and externally. Those quirks span all the way across the property, and every now and then something catches your eye that reminds you that you're in the presence of a rather special home. We've got high ceilings that give a real depth and drama to the home. We've got high skirting boards and architraves, again, attention to detail which goes hand in hand with a property of such an age. But fast forward into 2023, Breck House also delivers on the very best of modern contemporary family living. Now for me, this is more than just a kitchen. This is a family space that really does connect the whole household together seamlessly. For example, we've got this enormous island, which of course comes with practical benefits when it comes to food preparation, but it also gives you a canvas to enjoy informal dining and quite the spot to entertain your friends, family and the new neighbours. Now the kitchen itself has been finished off to a good, sleek, contemporary standard. It's got all the mod cons that you need, including a built-in Neff dishwasher, as well as an integral microwave, a triple doored fridge freezer and an enormous wine rack, which I'm sure you'll be able to put to good use on completion day. The chef in your house will be delighted to hear that we've got no shortage of storage, and we've got an enormous Aga which makes quite the focal point in the space, as well as a great spot to cook up some delicious meals. Now, if the theme of connection is something that you can get behind, and if you're a family that likes to entertain and spend time together at home making memories, then just wait until you see what's waiting for you on the other side of this camera. So you join me now in the property's extension. We're right at the rear of the home, and it's only really when you're here looking back you truly appreciate how this property connects the various zones of the home together with minimal effort. Now this extension was added in more recent years, but it really does act as a great continuation to the family kitchen, but you've got a fantastic space to get away from it all at the end of a long day. So whether your preference is to read your favourite book, to listen to your favourite podcast, or sit down and make memories with your favourite people, what better spot to do that than right here in the comfort of your own entertainment wall with the most gorgeous and comforting built-in fire that does a great job of warming this entire space. And speaking of warming this entire space, we are now getting to the time of the year where we're starting to enjoy brighter, longer, warmer evenings. So when it's ready to take the party outside, what better spot to do that than right here in your own low maintenance slice of tranquility. You can quite literally peel away the walls of your house thanks to these folding doors, and in you step to your own low maintenance garden. Now this is quite the space. It's tiered and it's zone controlled, offering something for the entire household. We've got these gorgeous water features which not only act as a great focal point, they also set a real nice ambience. So whether you're enjoying that first sip of coffee in the morning or you're raising a toast of an evening, what better spot to bring your nearest and dearest together. Now it's fair to say that Breck House really is the gift that keeps on giving, and out here we don't only find a beautiful garden, we find outhouses. So let's explore that a little further. Now the first outbuilding has a real cosy, calm, lodge-like quality to it, with an exposed flame and a pizza oven. This is the perfect spot again to further entertain friends and family. The back corner of the garden has got an outbuilding which would make a fantastic home office or study, or maybe a playroom, or quite simply a reading corner. Now, if you're a lover of period homes such as Breck House, then there's a good chance that you're intrigued by the history of properties as well. And if so, then I'm delighted to let you know that we've got the original deeds of this home, dating right back to the property's construction. It says here in September of 1860. It gives you the deeds of the home and the history of the people who've been proud to call this house home over the years, which for me is a real nice sentiment and just something that makes this property all the more intriguing. Now, dating back to 1860, again, we see signs of that right here in the front-facing reception room. You join me now in the family lounge, a contemporary space that's been finished with bespoke features such as this beautiful glass-panelled recess to the back wall, as well as these gorgeous and enormous double bay windows that really do flood this space with natural light. Just behind me, we've got the formal dining space, which, as you may have already noticed, flows straight into the kitchen that we explored earlier on. Now, the beautiful parquet flooring that spans through the reception rooms also goes through to the entrance hallway of this home, where we find both a downstairs toilet and a utility space, which is perfect for stowing away those bags, boots, boxes and washing. Now, believe it or not, whilst we've explored this home thoroughly so far, we've only seen one floor of three. This three-storey property has got so much more accommodation for us to get through. So with that said, let's take a peek at the first floor of Breck House. So here we are on the first floor, where we find 3 of the 5 bedrooms offered here at Breck House. You join me now in the master bedroom, which it has to be said is a room of epic proportions. But not only that, it's a room where the square footage really has been put to the best possible use. Now this bedroom, as you can see for yourself, is generous enough in size, but it links seamlessly onto a bespoke walk-in storage solution with bespoke wardrobes on either side. That leads perfectly into a private bathroom suite, which features a bathtub with a built-in TV into the wall, as well as a walk-in shower, toilet and vanity unit. Now bedroom 2 also faces the front aspect of the home just next door, so each of these 2 bedrooms benefit from that beautiful sash style window which overlooks the private driveway. Next door is also a double bedroom, again with bespoke storage solutions fitted, as is the 3rd bedroom, which we can find on the other side of the hallway. That space is currently being staged by the existing homeowners as a dressing room. Now all 3 bedrooms on this floor are served by a designer Villeroy & Bosch bathroom suite. It's been finished to an amazing standard, a contemporary design with a walk-in shower, freestanding bath and a Jack and Jill vanity unit. Now the 3rd and final floor here at Breck House offers no fewer than 2 double bedrooms. The bedrooms are comparable in size and they both benefit from eave storage. One of the rooms is currently being staged as a home cinema. It looks so cool and I can see why the sellers have done it. It's the perfect space to black out the week and enjoy your favourite film with a tub of popcorn on a Friday evening. It's got speakers built in and a home entertainment system, which the owners are willing to leave behind as part of the sale. However, if you did want to transform this back into a bedroom, it's easily done and you've got enough space for a double bed. The 5th and final bedroom again is a great size and it's got the added benefit of not only eave storage but a private WC. What a property. Now in today's short video, we've tried our best to give you an insight into the story of this marvellous home, but quite frankly, we could be here all day filming this property and still not show you all that it has to offer. This is a property that you really do need to come and see for yourself. Now right back from September of 1860, when this property started chapter 1, when those deeds were handed over to a Mr. Joseph Clark, right through to the modern day, it's fair to say that this property has got a story to tell and it's got many memories from years gone by, but it's safe to say that the story of Breck House is far from being complete. In fact, a new chapter is about to begin. And if you're looking for that forever home and you feel as though Breck House could deliver on what your family are looking for, then the only thing for you to do is to give me a call and to inquire as to your very own private visit, and I'd be more than happy to help. For now, my name's Ben. Thank you for watching.